Hey everybody, Jay Graham's here. We have a beautiful 1968 Camaro Rally Sport convertible. Just a nice cruiser, 327, power steering, power brakes, automatic trans. Just get in this one and enjoy it. Go to volocars.com. We have about 200 classic cars. That's where you'll find descriptions and videos and price tags along with a monthly finance option on every car, including this one. That's volocars.com. Tops down, let's go for a spin. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. So they've dressed it up by putting a cowl induction hood on there. It's a metal hood. This is all nice and straight. Car's looking good. The body is good. All clean and straight. There's a little cracking in the paint right here. This is not a perfect car, like I said, it's just a nice driver, but it is all smooth down here. No rust bubbles or issues. Right along the wheel well lip, all nice and clean. That's all clean down there. So it's got a good body so far from what we're finding. Shuts real nice. This is all straight, has the rear spoiler. Obviously painted a nice bright red. Body is all clean down there, clean right around the wheel well lip. All the way down here, it's all smooth and clean. Key buzzer works. People ask why I touch the car. Sometimes you can feel things that you don't see. So it is all smooth along the bottoms. It has the painted on black stripe. They did it correctly. It shoots down the side and over the nose here. So the Rally Sport, what is the Rally Sport? Well, it's this extra trim up on top, but mostly known for the hideaway headlights, which this one has right here. The grill's in good shape, bumper looks like it's new. Windshield's crystal clear, I'm sure that's new. The chrome up on top is new. The stainless trim looks to be straight original. It has 14-inch rally wheels with Firestone tires. Everything is good. Again, this is not our high-end $100,000 car, but it looks really nice. People say, you know what, I don't want a perfect one. I want one I can drive, but still want it to look good. That is exactly what this car is. Black convertible top is in excellent shape. It has new weather strips on the top frame. It's a manual top that goes right up easily. Pictures of it on our website. Tail lights look to be really nice. The RS gas cap looks new. The bumper looks new. Why don't we open it up? See what the interior and the motor is like. All right, let's see how it looks inside the trunk. Well, under the trunk lid, painted nice and glossy, and so is the jamb. Weather strip looks brand new. Inside is rock solid metal. Really nice, has a nice durable coating sprayed on there neatly. The well liner that the top goes into has also been replaced. Yeah, again, go to volocars.com. There's so much interesting information about our whole museum and about all the cars we have. Door jambs are also painted nice, and those weather strips are replaced. We have deluxe interior, so it has the molded armrest door panels. They look like they're in good original condition. A few little flaws here and there, but overall look nice. The dash pad itself is new. The knobs and vents look clean. All this red was painted red because usually that's black. Gauges look clean. They've added some gauges, a tachometer and gauges down below here. Got the grab bar for the passengers. Looks like the interior light's working. Carpet has been replaced. Has the staple shifter or the horseshoe shifter. That's a 3-speed automatic. Console, good original shape. Deluxe upholstery. This is new. The seats are redone. Has the correct GM seat belts are still there, including in the back. GM seat belts. This is reupholstered. The side armrest upholstery looks to be good original. Steering wheel's original. The plastic wheel looks like the center cap might be new. And the visors are in good shape, so is the mirror. So just like the exterior, it's not perfect, but it's very nice. I just bought a car for myself I'm going to keep. And same thing, it's not a perfect car. That's not what I wanted. I wanted to drive it. So 327 motor. Looks like it has an Edelbrock intake up on top and a Holley carburetor with electric choke hiding underneath there. It's got a set of headers. So a little more horsepower than what it originally had. Chrome valve covers and air cleaner to dress it up. All the metal's nice on the firewall and the inner fenders. Has a nice smooth paint finish. The heater is hooked up. Battery is secured. Fan shroud looks new. The horns are hooked up. The squirters are hooked up. Has power steering and power brakes. Looks like a new alternator. Looks like a new wiper motor. So very easy to work on too. Simple. All right, let's check out the underside. So I just verified with my very own eyes, this is a numbers matching car. The VIN number on the engine matches the car. Underneath is really clean. All the metal is smooth and black. Front end looks like it's been rebuilt. The dual exhaust looks fresh. The gas tank looks fresh. Looking up at the motor, it's nice and clean. It's a turbo 350 automatic, so that's nice and clean looking too. Go to volocars.com. The salesman will help answer your questions, including how to get this delivered and how to get it financed. Thanks for watching.